Hi everyone! Today I'm doing a cosplay from Jujutsu Kaisen. I'm doing the character Jogo. I've been asked to do like Gojo and Itadori and all sorts of characters, and of course I'm gonna choose a cursed spirit because that's the most dramatic transformation I could do. So I liked the volcano head sort of thing, and I thought that would be a cool makeup, and I hope you enjoy. So I started out by applying my bald cap and my little volcano head that I made using masking tape and paper and hot glue. And then I have these like earpieces that I need to add like a transition to my head with, which I think I'll use skin and scar wax for that. And then I can start airbrushing. I look ridiculous. So this character is a very light blue kind of color, so I'm gonna airbrush. I am gonna have this other piece of costume on my neck, but I'll just airbrush, kind of down a little bit. There's something distinctly terrifying about this. This is going to be the mouth, and the eye is going to be over here. He does have these like gnarly cheekbones too, so I'm also going to add that. So I've just been airbrushing. I painted these brown, and I'm going to start doing detail work on the eye and the mouth, and then I'll go ahead and paint my volcano head, which is so silly. But yeah, I think it's coming along. I look ridiculous. So far I do think it's turning out great. The eye I think looks really good, and I'm just working on the volcano. It's going to have some bright orange in here as well that I'll airbrush in there, but I'm working on like the drips. There's various like versions of this character. There's obviously the anime version, and then there's the manga version, so I'm sort of combining both as far as like the coloring and like the proportions. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. I think this came out really good. It was really fun making this and painting this. Such a strange character design, and I think that's why I had to do a cosplay of it. So I really hope you enjoyed, and if you have suggestions for other cosplays I can do, let me know what I should do next, and I'll see you next time.